Hello everyone, today I'll be talking to you about the cell cycle. What is the cell cycle? The cell cycle is where cells divide. The cells divide to produce new cells for growth and for replacement of old cells. As these old cells won't function that efficiently anymore, they need to reproduce for these new cells to take their place. As you can see on the screen, we have an animal cell diagram. In this animal cell, there are 3 ribosomes. Ribosomes are required for protein synthesis in the cell. There are 2 mitochondria. Mitochondria are needed by the cell for cellular respiration to produce energy for the cell. There's also the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is where chemical reactions take place in the cell. And here is the nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic information about the cell. And stage 1 in the cell cycle is none other than interphase. Interphase is where the cell grows in size and gets more material by diffusion into the cell. Organelles therefore replicate and energy is drawn from respiration. And as you can see on the diagram, the organelles indeed have replicated. There used to be 2 mitochondria, now there are 4. There used to be 3 ribosomes, now there are 6. And the nucleus has certainly doubled in size. Stage 2 of the cell cycle is mitosis. Mitosis is where the nucleus divides and splits. As you can see here on the diagram, there is a nucleus here. And these are called centrosomes. These centrosomes facilitate the organization of spindle poles during mitosis. I'll talk about spindle poles later once we go through mitosis. And here in the center of the nucleus we have chromosomes. Chromosomes carry the DNA and transfer genetic information from the parents to the offspring. Step 2 of mitosis is called prophase. In prophase, the DNA is copied and the chromosomes pair up as shown on the screen. Step 3 of mitosis, metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up at the equator like this, and then here in string in the diagram is called the mitotic spindle. The mitotic spindle equally divides the chromosome in a parent cell into 2 daughter cells. Anaphase. Anaphase is where there are chromatids here as shown here. Chromatids are chromosomes which have been replicated and split in half. And these chromatids are moving towards the poles. And then telophase. Telophase is where the nucleus and the cell is ready to be divided. As you can see, the cell is pinching in the middle. And stage 3 of the cell cycle is cytokinesis. The cell divides as shown into 2 identical daughter cells. And the thing is, these daughter cells can also repeat the 3 stages of the cell cycle, as these daughter cells will grow and they will need replacement when they're older, and therefore they can repeat the 3 stages of the cell cycle. Thank you for listening, and I hope you understood about the cell cycle now.